How to start learning Python in Sololearn. Want to start coding with Python? Sololearn makes it simple for beginners, and let's see how to do it. First, open the Sololearn app on your device. Now select Python from the Learn tab. Begin with the first lesson that covers basics like variables and data types. Complete the interactive quizzes and coding challenges to practice. Use the code playground to try your own Python scripts. Take your time and repeat lessons if needed to fully understand concepts. Join Sololearn's community discussions to ask questions and get tips from others learning Python. Have you started Python on Sololearn yet? Share your progress in the comments below. And that's how you can learn Python in Sololearn. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.